Forget Paris. This is where travelers are going in 2025. Welcome to Albania. Picture this: a drone shot soaring over razor-sharp mountain peaks descending into turquoise water, sunlight dancing on the waves. Feel the crisp, invigorating breeze of the Albanian Riviera. Taste the salt in the air. Hear the gentle crash of waves as you stroll along the pristine sands of Samil Beach. This is Europe, like you've never seen it before. Albania is like a well-kept secret that's finally ready to shine. And here's why. Beyond the breathtaking coastline, this country is a haven for history buffs. Imagine ancient ruins scattered against stunning backdrops, like Butrint, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Or head to Gjirokastër, the Stone City, a fairy tale village of cobbled streets and historic Ottoman architecture. When to visit? Spring and early summer, when wildflowers blanket the fields and the weather is warm but not scorching. Here's your pro tip: skip the crowded beaches. Drive inland to Lapusha for a slice of tranquil hillside life. Oh, and foodies? Traditional Albanian cuisine is a feast for your taste buds. Try bajrek, a flaky pastry filled with savory goodness, or baklava that melts in your mouth. If you're craving untouched nature, adventure awaits in the Vjosa River, Europe's last wild river. Kayak through gorges or relax on its banks, marveling at a landscape right out of a dream. Hidden gems, welcoming locals, and unbeatable scenery. What's not to love? So, pack your bags. Your next destination is waiting. Subscribe for more travel inspiration.